So what's the reasoning for cutting this bracket again?
Well, we set the car up originally to run this transmission, so this was already notched all out here. But then when we decided to put the 4-speed PVG set in, we had to weld this bracket in we got from Hossport. So now I'm just going back to where we were at. I'm just cutting little by little to see how much I actually have to clearance out so that we can weld on a different bracket and make a mount to connect this, which we did on the front wheel drive car at one point. So I know it all fits. Just gotta hack it up some more.